let's go to yen FX, and then we'll take a look at some commodities real quick. All right. So euro yen, I actually shorted some euro yen yesterday because of this. All right. This is a weekly chart. Look at that, 2008, 2014, 2012, 2016, and lo and behold, they converged like yesterday. And look what's happened. So this is one of the better examples I guess I could give of kind of how I trade. And by the way, like, you could use my charts and have my charts, but you might trade completely different than I do. So, you know, I'm looking for these big confluences to put on a position, right? You know, where I think risk is the smallest because the level is the strongest, right? So you can put on that position up here, and now, you know, you're home free with your stop because you traded at the level, right, at the pivot with a tight stop, rather than, you know, trading a breakdown or a breakout, in which case you know, subject to a false move, and then, you know, therefore bigger risk. So I'm not saying that's right or wrong. I'm just saying that's how I do it. Now look, I put this chart in my update yesterday, and I said, you know, the big signal would be a break of this red line here, right? Well, that's in a while. That's like in 150 pips or so. So, you know, if we wanted to look at, say, a shorter term chart, we getting like a 5 waves down. It looks like we are actually. In fact, it's like textbook. So, you know, one of the tricks I do, hourly closes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Get a little bounce early next week, you know, look to sell, say 130, 175 or so. All right, that simple. So I love this euro yen chart. I mean, it's just a beauty, this long-term chart here. So that's my favorite setup, maybe heading into next week. I'm not, you know, sure what's, you know, lines up fundamentally with that or not. Frankly, I don't care. But I love this setup here. Huge level. Again, getting that little 5 down on a short-term chart. Look to sell a small bounce, and then target that. I'll go to the daily. Target that trend line here first, and then see what happens if we can break down a bit. So you can see it lines up well with those former resistance there as well. All right. So as you know, or should know, I am working with Scandinavian Capital Markets as the Chief Technical Strategist. We're based in Stockholm. Scandinavian Markets is a market maker, and we are looking for profitable traders to join our ranks. We have clients all over the globe that are looking for more strategies to invest in. So if you are a profitable trader and you would like to get into the money manager world, you know, all goes according to plan and things go well, you can get your, you know, you can get your strategy funded with up to $2 million. Okay. So come and show us your skills. To register, go to scandinavianmarkets.com/fundmytrades. Again, that is scandinavianmarkets.com/fundmytrades.